scapula, there's 4. We're only doing 3 of the 4 tonight. So up underneath the acromiotrapezius, here and here, the one that's here, that's your supraspinatus. Supraspinatus, superior. Okay, so supraspinatus, infraspinatus, inferior portion, and then this part right here, that's the teres major.
Okay.
Teres major, infraspinatus, supraspinatus, all covered by the acromiotrapezius. Yes, okay. So then down here, we've got a few muscles, and I'm not going to do this all because this is crunchy and you got to take this off. So you got to take it off at least half the back. So if you start on this side, take it on this side of the spine. If you go from this side, take it from this part of the spine. So you get the spine part exposed.
Okay.
So I'll get you started on this and we'll kind of talk about what's underneath and we can finish it. So this is the lumbodorsal fascia that I'm taking off here. It's crunchy. It's tough. And don't go past this. That's your part of your external oblique. Okay, so here's the big things. All right, so underneath the lumbodorsal fascia, on the spine part, so it's going to be here to here. This is the multifidus dorsi. The multifidus dorsi. Looks like
on the spine, you said?
Yep. So it surrounds the spinal cord or the vertebrae. So we got the muscle on either side of this. That's multifidus dorsi. This muscle grouping, I'll start over on this side. This is the longissimus dorsi. So it's the length of the back. Longissimus dorsi. So multifidus dorsi on the vertebrae, longissimus dorsi to the side.
Okay.
Lumbodorsal fascia, and then
So that's it.
yeah, just 3 on that side.
Yeah.
Yep, because everything else is underneath. So get this off, get the lumbodorsal fascia off. But
Okay,
again,
so
only one side. So I already started on this side. So continue taking this off.
And then just go right here?
Yeah, go on that side, and you can peel it off, essentially. If you don't want to, you can just push it to the other side, because you have one side that you're not messing with, so it's still there. Then come up here, and I would cut kind of midline, kind of follow the spine up this way. You can cut through the muscle here. What was this again? This is the...
Lettuce.
Not this one.
Oh.
That's over here. Remember. What's this one?